किस्म का कंटेंट था, तो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट?
Well, all I like to say is that as far documentaries go, this was one of the most engaging documentaries I've
Indeed.
seen, and I watched it with rapt attention and enjoyed it. And I like to congratulate Jamal Saab for producing such a wonderful work.
So do you think the film was able to do justice with the event and all of the suffering?
Oh yeah, that was a very successful effort, and very engaging, and that's what the purpose is. We can differ with it, we can agree with some of it we can disagree, but it was a very engaging, very constructive effort.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.